Forgot your email or phone number linked to your Roblox account? So let's dive right into this step. As shown, we are currently on the Roblox platform. To proceed, simply click on the login button. On the Roblox login page, I have entered my username but forgotten my password. So in order to reset it, click on Forgot Password or Username. Initially, it will prompt you to enter your email for the password reset. However, there is an alternative option below that allows you to use your phone number for the reset process. If your phone number is linked to your Roblox account, select Use Phone Number to reset your password. Enter your country, phone number, then submit and complete the verification process. Upon verification, you can set a new password. If you haven't linked an email or phone number to your account, don't worry, an alternative method is available. Scroll to the bottom of the Roblox page and click on Help. This will redirect you to the Roblox Help page. Select I forgot my password and then navigate to the section labeled Still Having Trouble. It states that if you didn't add an email address or phone number to your account for the password reset, you should contact the customer support to describe your login issue. Follow the provided link to reach the Roblox support page and provide necessary information such as your date of birth and proceed to fill out the form with the details like your username, first name, email, issue details, etc. Submit the form and in a few days or hours, Roblox will contact you through the email provided with the further instructions. So this was all about how to recover Roblox account without email or phone number. If you found this guide to be beneficial, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support.